Paige.
And I'm Dad. And
Welcome to Sparksmania.
welcome to Sparksmania. So, we were sent this puzzle board to review, and I'm excited. I used to build puzzles actually whenever I was her age. And actually, I think I built almost this exact puzzle. This is a 1,000-piece puzzle. It's all the presidents, and it's got like a map of the U.S. and a bunch of facts about all the presidents. But this is all the way up to date. It's got Obama and Trump on it. But anyways, back to this. This is from Lavievert. It's a big puzzle board, and it's got drawers, and it came with a felt to build your puzzle on, and it's got these side drawers. Here are some Velcro wraps. We'll know what that's about here in a second. And this is the bag, Lavievert. This will hold a puzzle. How's it going to hold a puzzle, you say? Well, just wait, there's more. There's another one over here, and it comes with a blow-up tube. So you put the felt down, and then you build the puzzle on the felt. And this is a problem I always had whenever I was building puzzles on a kitchen table like this, is you tied up the kitchen table forever. And now you can put it on this board, and whenever it's dinner time, we can take it and slide it under the bed and finish it tomorrow, whatever. But I used to have to build on a table, and you tied up a table forever. But this thing, I've never done this. We'll try it whenever we get the puzzle built. But you blow it up, and it creates a tube, and then you roll the puzzle around the tube so you're not rolling it real tight, it doesn't break. And you roll it, the felt and everything around, use those Velcro straps to strap it up. And then you put it in this bag if you wanted to store it or whatever. It's got a nice little label where you can make a label and tell what puzzle it is, whatever, and keep it stored for later until you find a frame for it or until you want to get it back out later. But these little drawers, this is handy because we won't, after we get the puzzle pieces out, we won't need the puzzle box at all. Everything will stay right here. These drawers are really big. They're the complete size of this board. It will hold, this puzzle is 24 by 30, and it is going to have a few inches either way to hold it. So, I'm looking forward to this. It seems like this thing probably weighs 10 pounds. It's not super heavy. Like, wouldn't be hard to move, but it feels sturdy. But wait, there's more. My producer just told me there's a coupon code. So whenever we post this video, there'll be a link in the description if you want to buy one of these, and a coupon code to save a little money on it. So we're about to get started building this puzzle. Okay, so we just got done with our first session, and I figured out something that I like about this puzzle building board. So we just got our border all the way done, but we were missing one piece. And the good thing about these drawers is they're so big, I could take an entire drawer and fill it with one flat layer of pieces. And there will be enough drawer space to do that with all these pieces. I'll be able to lay them. So we're looking for one piece. We had to look through everything. But if we take all these and lay them, there'll be plenty of room in all these drawers to lay pieces flat for the whole puzzle. So the next time we're looking for a piece, it'll be a lot easier to find it. Ta-da!
We're done. What?
Well, we finished. That only took a day or two. I don't know how long it took. 6-7 hours, something like that. Still really like this puzzle board. The only thing that I didn't love about the board is one of the drawers was a little stiff, but it's not like, it's not even a big deal. So the other than that, it's great for building on. You got all your drawers to keep your pieces. I give it a thumbs up. Did you like this puzzle?
Yes, I liked it, and I want to do another one of these.
They have a lot. I
wanted to do the cereal box one right here.
Oh, that's cool.
It has like Cheerios, Cocoa Puffs,
Yeah, that's neat.
and then
That one's pretty cool.
I don't know. I was looking at this one too.
So if you guys want one of these, just like this, there's a link in the description, and then we'll put a coupon code in the description as well. Use that coupon code, and you'll save some money whenever you buy one of these. If you're into building puzzles, I would buy one.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to watch more videos like this. And if you're interested in other videos like blind boxes, stuff like that, they're in our channel, so go there and watch them.
Okay, bye.